Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut video in CapCut. So let's get into it. Here I have imported a video to CapCut to my project, and we're going to practice how we can cut this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the video, or we can also click on edit button right here, and it's the same, and just click on edit button until the section of the video is active like this, and we can place this parameter to the part of the video that we want to cut. We can go right or go left to place this parameter, and for example I'm going to cut this part, so I'm just going to place this parameter to this part, and after that we can click on split button right here. Then we can remove this part by clicking on delete button like this. Okay, and now that unwanted part has been removed, and there is another way to cut the video. We just need to tap on the video or tap on the edit button like this, and after that we can drag the video to the left like this to cut the video. And if we want to cut the first part of the video, we just need to drag it to the right like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can cut a video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.